Yeah, rumors circulate as the world queen Toni-Ann Singh charms Popcaan on a river raft. Yeah, greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. When I say the world queen, you know I'm talking about Jamaican queen. Yeah, we are talking about Toni-Ann Singh. You are going to as dancehall artist Andre Sutherland, professionally known as Popcaan, is known for his river adventures when he is not busy traveling. Accompanying Popcaan on one of his escape to the riverside is world queen Toni-Ann Singh, the artist's long-rumored girlfriend. Boy, me hope see that a go on pan what a go on Popcaan. That's why them hating on the real Jenna. Yo, the former Miss Jamaica World and the firm and strong DJ first sparked dating rumors in 2022 but about the pair have never confirmed deny the relationship. Confirmation aside, Singh and Popcaan no doubt is enjoying each other's company with the next to me singer river rafting together. Singh and Popcaan fondness of each other was captured in a video taken from rumoring that they were lovebirds while enjoying a tranquility of their surroundings and some soup on the river. Popcaan dubbed Singh the world queen, while Singh dubbed Popcaan for follow St. Thomas native the world pilot. So the world pilot and the world queen hanging out. So wanna navigate, I wanna show the bed. I'm more life, I'm more joy. A real lovebirds, a real nice Cinderella story, Spinderella story. We are talking about Toni-Ann Singh and Popcaan, the thugs and the lovebird. We are talking about the swan and the thugs. That's what I should say. The beautiful queen and the general, the top pilot, the world pilot and the world queen link up. St. Thomas on the river raft, if you know what I mean. The girl them a ball. Hey, Popcaan, big up yourself, me thugs. More life, more joy. Yeah, fill her up with love. Yeah. The world boss and the world queen. No, the world pilot. The world boss and world boss. Him in a jail. Cool that. Me say that. Rastafari so that say that. Big up yourself, Popcaan. The Lord. You're gone. Hanging out with Toni-Ann Singh on the raft.
Hey, Babylon, me see them up and them a wonder. Who flashy like the nana, who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like the nana, him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shut and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove.
As she say, anyway you go.
Yeah. Babylon, deep roots full of say you can't turn ya.
World boss around the thing. Top pilot, world pilot. World boss, they are jail.
Yeah.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in. We are every time.
No, beat down my fist. Big up Rastafari soldier, you're watching Deep Roots TV. Boom bang bang. Boom bang bang. Mad. Mad love, respect, brethren. I mean, man, I love fun. Deep Roots TV. Tap in. Deep Roots TV. You already know what it is.